strengthening to remove your saltiness. This kind of witchcraft goes beyond just bad luck. It's intended to seriously harm someone. A salation is a witchcraft designed to kill, cause accidents, or financially ruin someone. We are going to reinforce your central nervous system to issue, send, and distribute the command to your body to eliminate this energy from every quantum particle, from each cell, molecule, tissue, organ, system, and structure. We're also going to remove it from your physical body and your subtle bodies, from your conscious, unconscious, and subconscious mind, from your spirit, and from your mind. 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We're going to eliminate the salation energy received in this and other lifetimes, the one directed at you, the one aimed at your family, the one that stuck to you in physical spaces, and the one that clung to you from other salty people. We send the remains, vestiges, footprints, remnants, and impressions to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, matter, and dark energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe and other unknown places. We deactivate and neutralize all the negative energy that was sent to you through elements like eggs, salt, liquids, objects, or other material resources that were thrown at your house or any of your physical spaces, including your car. We deactivate and neutralize the energy that was taken from you through personal objects like clothes, hair, nails, or bodily fluids. We neutralize the negative energy programmed into all of it in other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, matter, and dark energy, black holes and wormholes in the universe and other unknown places. And we strengthen it there so it remains and does not return. At 100% infinite co-potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We eliminate the cumulative impact of living with bad luck, such as misfortunes, losses, stagnation, suffering, illnesses, accidents, addictions, separations, legal conflicts, interpersonal problems, destructive behaviors, and anything else resulting from this bad luck. We erase the impact on your emotions, sensations, and reactions at the family level, professional level, and temporal level. We erase the energy of all rituals done with the intention of harming you, controlling you, submitting you, or taking your life. We erase it in the physical spaces where it took place, from the people who did it, and we erase it from your physical spaces and from people who were collateral damage. We strengthen all spiritual entities that have been invoked to harm, hurt, or cause any other damage to you. We eliminate the accumulated effect of their actions and send them to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black and wormholes from the universe and other unknown places. And there we strengthen them again so that they stay and do not revert to infinite co-potential 100% of the time with finite time. Strong enough to lift your vibration to over 200 hertz. Strong enough to maintain this vibration through emotions like neutrality, trust, peace, gratitude, compassion, and others alike. We clear all of this energy from each of your basic supports: time, career, purpose, finances, money, and physical potential, as well as from your health and personal relationships. We erase the impact received in each of these areas. Remember that the emotions, feelings, and reactions that came from this pollution are the most affecting. Hopelessness, hatred, powerlessness, frustration, aggression, violence, fatigue, pains, suffering, sadness, and others with all their possible combinations. We eliminate other effects of this assault, such as distancing from loved ones, arguments, constant for no apparent reason, economic difficulties, depression and irritability, nightmares, lack of assertiveness, misunderstandings, loss of trust from friends and relatives, body pains, catastrophic thoughts, mental exaggerations, fixation on the negative, difficulty in recognizing or appreciating the positive, feeling ungrateful, tendency to blame oneself, a sense of defenselessness, feeling impotent, vulnerable, and lack of control over your own life, fear of risks before the undertakings, having the feeling, deep sense of bad luck, and confirming it over and over again, selectively paying attention to the negative events and ignoring the positive ones. We eliminate distorted, contrary, and biased perceptions about your own improvement and energy release. We reinforce the removal of these energies in your feet, knees, and hands. We eliminate the perception of bad luck and the cumulative effect from believing, affirming, and repeating that you're unlucky. We erase the tendency to interpret everything that goes wrong or you dislike as coming from bad luck, casting evil or witchcraft. We erase misinformation, perception, and interpretation of harm that you say certain superstitious tendencies may affect you with. We erase the belief that your well-being comes from bad luck. We erase exaggerated, distorted, and magnified perception in the face of life's normal setbacks or difficulties. We eliminate constant and permanent feelings of frustration, helplessness, and misfortune. We erase resistance to accepting, admitting, and acknowledging that this assault is no longer within you. We erase all resistance to letting go of this energy, allowing it to flow out of you. We establish neutrality in the face of emotions, feelings, and reactions from those who sent the energy to you and from you to them. We eliminate unresolved issues, misinformation, perceptions, and interpretations. We erase feelings of being overwhelmed, irritable, and stressed, fostering a new emotional state that allows you to feel gratitude, confidence, and peace. We strengthen internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and vertices to 100% co-potential infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We delete everything that prevents, limits, delays, and obstructs this process from reaching zero minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, body, mind, and spirit. This final strengthening is dedicated to ensuring that this information is permanently removed from you.